304 miles per hour is really, really fast. That's about 40% the speed of sound at sea level. That is 7 times faster than the fastest racehorse. It's faster than any bullet train you can take today. And as of right now, it is the production car world top speed record. Sort of. Bugatti, last month, they went out and they set a new record in their Chiron, which is their obviously very expensive, very fast car. Got it up to 304 miles per hour and change at this racetrack in Germany. Made a big deal about it, announced it to the world. It blows everything else out of the water. The previous production car record was about 278 miles an hour. So obviously, and it's a big deal when you get a few extra miles an hour in this sort of range. So to suddenly blow all the way past the magic 300 mark is huge. But here's the thing. It's not really a production car. So the one that they used for this is actually what they call a sort of a pre-production prototype for a new version of the car that they haven't even unveiled yet. So it's got all these aerodynamic adjustments. It's got a longer tail. It's got more horsepower than the regular one. It's got like a special safety cage. So it's really not quite a production car yet. If the new production car had come out already, then they could sort of say that. They haven't gotten there yet. So as it stands right now, it kind of is in this weird little gray zone, which means that it makes for a perfect barstool argument for the rest of time. So the Chiron uses a quad turbocharged W16 engine. So it's got 16 cylinders and 4 turbochargers. The basic version makes 1,479 horsepower. This one that they used actually makes almost 100 horsepower more because, 1,400 horsepower and change wasn't enough apparently. 0 to 60 time for the basic Chiron, 2.3 seconds, so they claim. I personally haven't driven it, so I can't vouch for that. The basic Bugatti Chiron costs about $3 million and change. It can be kind of hard to find out prices when you're dealing with cars this fancy. Obviously, this is a new version that they haven't announced yet, this one, so who knows how much it's going to cost. Probably not cheap.